by Casey Liu. So what am I interested in? Right now I'm in high school, but I mainly want to maybe major in aerospace engineering, but I also like electrical engineering as well. I do like to learn more about rockets and more into space exploration. Um, I think transportation is like more simpler things, but I also like that, such as electric cars, bullet trains, and like hyperloops. So what interests me about Arduino? It uses real electronic devices and models, explores circuits and components for anyone, including me and beginners or anyone that just wants to experience it. Uh, it could also make creative devices like LEDs or sensors, and using Arduino, you can learn trial and error. They have a website, so they have a lot of videos and step-by-step tutorials, but you can go on by yourself and create your own experiments and use the tool however you like. And lastly, it's very useful for experimenting and prototyping. If you're like making a computer, or if you're gonna make some certain project, this can be very good for making a certain circuit that you need for that project, probably for a project that I'm gonna do right now. So what do I intend to achieve using this tool? So I would achieve getting more experience for building circuits and creating any type of electrical devices with any applications. Like a picture, like it shows, like maybe making a speaker or a fan or anything use any use. Yeah. So ideas for the final project. Like I said, for transportation, we can make a small car with sensors. Fun projects like a light show, maybe like a mini game. Maybe a small robot that does simple tasks, like it has an arm, you can like pick up stuff and move around. And another thing that we can do is make sensors for measuring temperature, a light system that turns on by the time of the day. And so we can make, or we can, there's a lot more ideas that we could focus on. But I'm thinking to mainly use Arduino, but we can also use 3D modeling, printing, or any other kinds of tools available. So a good collaborator for me. I want a person that's a good communicator and listener. Uh, knows how to share equal workload. Uh, creates creative ideas. Like I said, like if you didn't want to do the ideas that I have, you can make create ideas that you have, and then we can see if we agree upon a certain idea that we can both work on for our final project. And so that can be a good thing. For experience with Tinkercad or Tinkercad, uh, it can be good to model the circuit first, then to start working on our project when using Arduino, and basic knowledge with circuit components. Of course, you would need that, and knowledge of beginner's code, or if you're more advanced, if you know more about coding, that would be very helpful if we're going to do more advanced circuitry, or if we're going to use different like sensors or any types of other electrical devices that we're going to use for the project. That would be pretty helpful. So on the last, I thought, if you want to contact me, or if you do want to be my partner for the final project, you can contact me, maybe email me if you want. And yeah, again, I can work with anything. If you can share any ideas for using Arduino or for programming something with Arduino, that would be great.